चॅप्टर 8 प्रेपोझिशन्स. प्रेपोझिशनचा वापर अचूक करता येण्यासाठी खूप मेहनत घ्यावी लागते. त्यावर अधिकार मिळवणे सोपे नाही. अनुभव आणि अभ्यासामुळे योग्य व अचूक प्रेपोझिशन्स वापरता येणे शक्य होईल. पण तरीही प्रेपोझिशनचा वापर कसा करावयाचा याबद्दल आपण माहिती करून घेऊया. त्यांचा वापर आपण पुढील प्रमाणे वर्गीकृत केलेला आहे. 1. प्रेपोझिशन ऑफ प्लेस. 2. प्रेपोझिशन ऑफ टाइम. 3. प्रेपोझिशन ऑफ ट्रॅव्हल. 4. प्रेपोझिशन प्लस नाउन्स. 5. नाउन्स प्लस प्रेपोझिशन. 6. ॲडजेक्टिव्स प्लस प्रेपोझिशन. 7. व्हर्ब्स प्लस प्रेपोझिशन. आता आपण क्रमाने त्यांचा अभ्यास करू. 1. प्रेपोझिशन ऑफ प्लेस. साधारणपणे प्रेपोझिशन ऑफ प्लेसच्या संदर्भात ॲट आणि इनचा उपयोग केला जातो. ॲट त्यावेळी वापरतात जेव्हा आपल्याला एखाद्या ठिकाणाबद्दल बोलायचे आहे, जसे दिस ट्रेन डज नॉट स्टॉप ॲट देवास. इनचा वापर तेव्हा करतात जेव्हा एखाद्या ठिकाणी असलेल्या व्यक्ती किंवा वस्तूबद्दल सांगायचे असते, जसे ही लिव्ज इन ए बिग सिटी. खालील वाक्यांचा अभ्यास करा. 1. A. The match to be played at Nehru Stadium. B. While playing in Nehru Stadium, Tendulkar scored a century. C. She lived at 40 Shantinagar, Nagpur. There is no library in Shantinagar, Nagpur. 2. Preposition of time. A. ॲटचा वापर दिवसाच्या विशिष्ट वेळेचा उल्लेख करताना करण्यात येतो, जसे 1. I will come to your house at 7 in the evening. 2. The show starts at 6 p.m. B. ॲटचा वापर सुट्टीच्या दिवसाचा उल्लेख करतानाही करण्यात येतो. यावेळी सुट्टीच्या दिवसानंतर डे लिहिण्याची गरज नसते, जसे 1. We celebrate at weekend. 2. We fire crackers at Diwali. C. ऑनचा वापर काळाशी विशिष्ट कालखंडाच्या संदर्भात करता येतो, जसे 1. We celebrate our Independence Day on August 15. 2. He keep a fast on Monday. D. इनचा वापर काळाशी विशिष्ट कालखंडाच्या संदर्भात करता येतो, जसे 1. It is very cold in Europe in autumn. 2. I plan to finish my work in May 3. 3. We will visit our native place sometime in 2001. 4. I will come to your house in the evening. 5. It is too hot to go out in the afternoon. 6. The theft was committed in the night. E. एखाद्या विशिष्ट दिवसाच्या संदर्भात विशिष्ट काळ, जसे इव्हिनिंग, मॉर्निंग किंवा अशासारखे वेळेशी निगडीत शब्दांचा उपयोग त्या दिवसाच्या संदर्भात करीत असताना ऑन या प्रेपोझिशनचा वापर करावा, जसे ही विल रीच हिअर ऑन मंडे मॉर्निंग. एफ. बायचा उपयोग वेळेच्या बंधनाच्या संदर्भात केला जातो, जसे वी हॅव टू सबमिट द इन्कम टॅक्स रिटर्न बाय जून 30. जी. सिन्स आणि फॉर are used for indicating the time consumed by some action, but both have different usages. Since indicate the starting time of the action, and we can calculate the time consumed on that basis. For indicate total time consumed by the action. For example, 1. I have been living in Bombay since 1990. 2. I have been living in the Bombay for 7 years. H. Preposition is not used if the time factor follows last, next, this, that. Example 1. He is coming next Monday. 2. We will leave India for America this Friday. 3. Preposition of travel. A. We travel by vehicle. For example 1. We are going to Nagpur by car. 2. They will come by 3 o'clock train. B. We use on or on to, getting, climbing, riding on bicycle, horse or camel. C. We get off a train oblique bus, oblique car, oblique taxi, oblique plane, oblique bicycle, oblique horse, etc. 4. Preposition at, comma into to inverted comma at, comma complete. 1. यामुळे व्यक्त होते ठिकाण, पोझिशन, जसे ॲट होम किंवा ॲट ए ग्रेट डिस्टन्स. 2. प्लेस इन टाइम, जसे ॲट 6 o'clock, ॲट दिवाळी. 3. डायरेक्शन और एंड ऑफ मुवमेंट, जसे दे अराइव्ड ॲट हाऊस, ही एम्ड ॲट मी विथ ए नाईफ. 4. मॅनर ऑफ ॲक्शन और एम्प्लॉयमेंट, जसे ही इज गुड ॲट इंग्लिश. Gunjan is at his tricks again. 5. Cause or occasion of an action, जसे she suffered at the hands of her husband, she was still sad at leaving him. 6. Situation or condition, जसे Tamils in Sri Lanka are at war with their government, please do the work at our leisure, leisure. 7. Position in a scale that measures degree, mount, comma into inverted comma mount, comma complete, price, etc. जसे he was driving his car at 60 kilometers per hour when he met with an accident. The water is at boiling point now. 5. Preposition by. As a preposition by can be used in one of the following ways. 1. To express the idea of beside. For example, the doctor advised her to spend some time by the sea. He was sitting by the fire. 2. To express the idea of along or over. For example, come by quickest mode of transport. 3. To express the idea of not later than. For example, they travelled by car. He led him by the hand. 5. To express the idea of with respect to. For example, we must do our duty by our friends. 6. Preposition for. For indicates destination or progress towards something. For example, we set out for home. The ship was making for the port when it met with an accident. For is also used for what is aimed at. For example, he was educated for the priesthood. He felt that he was destined for something great. It also indicates eventual possession. For example, here is a letter for you. He made some coffee for us. 7. Preposition from. From is used to indicate the place, point, person, etc. That is the starting point. For example, we travelled from Indore to Khandwa. The thief jumped from a wall to prevent arrest. It is also used to indicate the start of a period of time. For example, our examination starts from 1st of March. He was present in the hall from the beginning to the end of the function. It is also used to indicate the place, object, etc., whose distance, absence, etc. is indicated. For example, our town is 10 miles away from the railway station. He stayed away from college. From is used to introduce the place, point, or person, etc. That is the starting point. For example, we travel from Bhopal to Indore in about 5 hours. Bees go from flower to collect honey. It also tells us about the giver or sender of something or some message. For example, I received a letter from my father just now. Tell him from me that he should return my money. From is also used to indicate the source from which something is taken. For example, this quotation is taken from Shakespeare. We draw water from a well. It is also used to show distinction or differences. For example, how would you know an Indian from a Pakistan? 8. Prepositions in and into. It gives the idea of something that is placed within the limits of something, space, time, or circumstances. For example, she works in an office. The boys are swimming in the river. He lives in Raipur. The old fort is in ruins now. Into gives the idea of motion or direction to a point within something. For example, the elephants came out into the open to eat grass. The thief moved into the room. 9. Preposition of. Of is used to indicate origin and authorship. For example, Abraham Lincoln was a man of humble origins. The works of Kalidas are read and appreciated all over the world. It is also used in indicate cause. For example, many died of hunger in the Kalahandi. He is a man of refined state. 10. Preposition on. On is used to indicate the idea forming or covering part of surface or being attached to something. For example, the pictures were hanging on the wall. The teacher writes on the blackboard. It is also used to indicate time. For example, he came to meet me on Sunday. The accident occurred on the first day of March. On also indicates direction towards. For example, we must not turn our backs on our friends. The soldiers marched on the enemy capital. It also expresses basis, ground, or reason of something. For example, this story is based on facts. He was arrested on charges of theft. 11. Preposition to. To is used to indicate in the direction of. For example, he usually walks to work. He met with an accident on the way to the station. 12. Preposition with. With is used to indicate manner. For example, he beat her with a stick. He received me with open arms. It is also used to indicate at the same time. For example, human shadows move with the sun. With the approach of evening, it becomes chilly. It is also used to indicate care, charge, or possession. For example, leave the child with its aunt. I have no money with me. With is also used in the sense of in regard to. For example, what do you want with me? The first object with him is always to make a profit. Exercise. Fill in the blanks in the following sentence with appropriate preposition. 1. I recognized him dash 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 his beard. Answer is by. 2. They were married dash 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 1986. Answer is in. 3. Children don't go to school dash 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 Sundays. Answer is on. 4. Eggs are sold dash 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 the dozen. Answer is by. 5. They've received us dash 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 great gusto. Answer is with. 6. I often pass dash 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 this house. Answer is by. 7. We had to walk dash 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 10 miles. Answer is for. 8. Let us meet dash 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 the railway station. Answer is at. 9. She works dash 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 the office opposite the public library. Answer is in. 10. He went dash 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 the post office and bought some stamps. Answer is 2. 11. It is 5 minutes dash 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 5. Answer is 2. 12. I paid 10 rupees dash 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 this book. Answer is 4. 13. When can I get a train dash 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 Raipur? Answer is 2. 14. Have you got a key dash 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 this lock? Answer is 2. 15. Who gave this dash 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 you? Answer is 2. 16. He is the principal dash 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 our college. Answer is off. 17. He lives dash 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 a big house dash 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 the river. Answer is in and by. He lives in a big house by the river. 18. Days are warm dash 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 summer. Answer is in. 19. Nights are cool dash 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 winters. Answer is in. 20. We started sunrise but reached there only dash 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 sunset. At. Answer is we started at sunrise but reached there only at sunset. Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the suitable preposition, choosing them from the given alternatives. 1. The school begins dash 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 7 every morning. Options are A at, B in, C on, D about, and answer is A, that is at. 2. I was in Bilaspur dash 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 1976 dash 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 1986, and answer is B, that is from to. I was in Bilaspur from 1976 to 1986. 3. I have been in Bhopal dash 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 1988. Options are A in, B for, C since, D about, and answer is since. I have been in Bhopal since 1988. 4. The principal is dash 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 his room at present. Answer is D in. The principal is in his room at present. 5. The first train dash 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 Vidisha leaves dash 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 6 a.m. Options are A for and at, B for in, C in for, and D at, and answer is A for and at. The first train for Vidisha leaves at 6 am. 6. I have eaten nothing dash 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 Sunday. Options are A since, B for, C about, D at, and answer is A. I have eaten nothing since Sunday. 7. He is addicted dash 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 smoking. Options are A for, B from, C to, D of, and answer is C 2. He is addicted to smoking. 8. Never Kanhaiv, CONNIVE, never Kanhaiv dash 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 the shortcomings dash 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 your children. Options are A in, B on off, C about off, D at off, and answer is D. Never connive at the shortcomings of your children. 9. Are you aware dash 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 the latest changes dash 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 the syllabus? Options are A. Off in, B. In off, C. Off, D. In, and answer is A. Off in. Are you aware of the latest changes in the syllabus? 10. I dissuaded him dash 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 taking the job dash 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 a clerk. Options are A. From off, B. For as, C. Of, D. From, and answer is A. I dissuaded him from taking the job of a clerk. C. Prepositions attached to verbs. Exercise. C. Prepositions attached to verbs. Exercises. 1. Give the questions to which the following statements might be answered. Use such interrogative 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 words as who, which, what, where to introduce the questions. For example, this train has come from Edinburgh. Where has this train come from? A. I am looking for an English dictionary. What am I looking for? B. Everyone was talking about the latest news. What was everyone talking about? C. I was speaking to a friend. Whom was I speaking to? D. He was sitting in that chair. Where was he sitting? E. Mr. Smith lives in that house. Who lives in that house? F. I am writing to my mother. Who am I writing to? G. Everyone was staring at the strange looking person. Who was everyone staring at? H. We are listening to the music. What are we listening to? 2. Complete the unfinished sentence in the following groups by using the same verb. Into bracket, though any tense of it you think suitable. Bracket complete. That is used in the first sentence of each group. A. She is looking at picture. What is she looking at? B. He stood on a chair to reach the top shelf. What did he stand on? In order to reach the top shelf, I need something to stand on. Why are you standing on that chair? C. John is waiting for his friend. Who is John waiting for? I shall not wait for him any longer. D. We have been talking about the film we saw last evening. What are you talking about? Have you nothing better to talk about that than that? Some people are always talking about their illness. C. We offered to look after the children while their mother went to shop. Their sick woman had no one to look after her. She thanked me for looking after her dog while she was away from home. 3. Make up sentences of your own containing the following expression. You may use any tense of the verb. 1. The wise men do not run after the petty things. 2. The roof of the house fell over my head. 3. I am looking for a good house. 4. I could never think of this happening. 5. He spoke to her father about the affair. 6. Children should not be allowed to play with fire. 4. In each of the following sentences, a combination of a verb and preposition is printed in italics. Write another sentence of your own using this same combination. Into bracket, any tense of it, bracket complete, in the passive voice. Here is one done for you to give you the idea. Who was that person that spoke to you? Spoke to is in a bold letter. Passive. You should not speak unless you are spoken to. A. I cannot think of his name. Think of is in bold letter. His name could not be thought of by me. B. What are you looking at? Looking at is in the bold letter. He was being looking at by them. C. Do not interfere with that machine. Interfere with is in the bold letter. The machine should not be interfered with. D. We have paid for everything we have bought. Have paid is in the bold letter. Everything we have bought has been paid for. C. The cyclist ran over a child. Ran over is in the bold letter. A child was run over by a cyclist. F. You should attend to your lessons. Attend to is in the bold letter. Your lessons should be carefully attended to by you. 2. Mistaken use of a preposition where none is required. जिथे prepositionची गरज नसते. Exercises. Complete the following sentences by using the verb given in the bracket at the end, either with or without preposition, whichever you think is correct. 1. As I approached him, he turned and walked away. I approached is in bold letter. 2. We saw two women entering the shop. Entering is in bold letter. 3. The child resembled its father in looks. Resembled is in bold letter. 4. He gave us a general description of the plan, did not enter into details. Enter into is in a bold letter. 5. The ruffian attacked the traveler with a stout stick. Attacked is in the bold letter. 6. We could find no one who could answer our question. Answer is in the bold letter. 7. She addressed me so rudely that I refused to answer her. 8. The policeman asked the motorist to move his car as it was obstructing the traffic. Ask is in the bold letter. 9. You need not answer the question if you do not wish. Answer is in bold letter. 10. The teacher invited each of the pupils to ask him a question in English. Ask is in bold letter. D. The idiomatic use of preposition. Exercise. Complete the following sentences by adding the correct preposition in the blank spaces. 1. Your father will be very angry with you when he hears of your conduct. With is in bold letter. 2. She found a purse full of money. 3. No one has yet discovered a cure for the common cold. 4. As we had no food for our 6 hours, we were glad of a meal. As is in bold letter. 5. Are you interested in modern art? 6. I prefer coffee to tea. 7. I feel sorry for Mrs. Smith. 2 of her children are ill and her husband is unemployed. 8. The great English poet John Keats died of consumption. Of is in bold letter. We were glad to get rid of such untrustworthy person. Of is in bold letter. 10. He accused one of his friends of stealing his watch. Of is in bold letter. 11. What time did you arrive at the office this morning? At is in bold letter. 12. Our parents did not approve of playing games on Sunday. Of is in bold letter. The word home used with and with a preposition. Exercise. Insert home or at home into bracket whichever you think is correct. Bracket complete. In the blank spaces in the following sentences. A. Has your father come home for work yet? Home is in bold letter. B. What time do you get home from the office? Home is in bold letter. C. We are spending our holidays at home this year. At home is in bold letter. D. Susan has brought a friend home to tea. Home is in bold letter. C. I am afraid you cannot see Mrs. Smith as she is not at home. At home is in bold letter. F. I could not unlock my desk. I had left my keys at home. At home is in bold letter. G. I leave home every morning at 8 o'clock. Home is in bold letter. H. I will telephone you as soon as I arrive home. Home is in bold letter. 1. Janet is married and has a house in the country, but Mary lives at home with her parents. At home is in bold letter. J. We called at the house, but there was no one at home. At home is in bold letter. K. If train is punctual, we should reach home about 6 o'clock. Home is in bold letter. L. I shall go to home as soon as I have finished my work. Home is in bold letter. काही प्रेपोजिशन्स वेगवेगळ्या अर्थाने वापरतात. अशा कित्येक प्रेपोजिशनचे विविध अर्थाने घेणारे उपयोग समजून घ्या. 1. अबाउट. 1. इट इज अबाउट 5 o'clock. अबाउट म्हणजे सुमारे. 2. ही हॅज ए कम्फर्टर अबाउट हिज नेक. 3. देर इज नथिंग अबाउट घोस्ट इन दिस मूवी. अबाउट म्हणजे बद्दल. 4. शी इज अबाउट टू बी मॅरिड. अबाउट म्हणजे विचाराधीन. 2. अबाव. 1. ए स्वॉर्ड वॉज हँगिंग अबाव हिज हेड. अबाव म्हणजे वरती. 2. हिज मंथली सॅलरी आर अबाव ₹5,000. अबाव म्हणजे पेक्षा अधिक. 3. ही इज अबाव सच मीननेस. अबाव म्हणजे त्याच्या पलीकडे गेलेला. 3. आफ्टर. 1. आय विल कम आफ्टर यू. आफ्टर म्हणजे मागोमाग. 2. अरुण अराइव्ह आफ्टर डार्क. आफ्टर म्हणजे नंतर. 3. ही इज ऑलवेज आफ्टर मनी. आफ्टर म्हणजे त्या शोधात. 4. शी टेक्स केअर ऑफ आफ्टर हर मदर. आफ्टर म्हणजे त्यासारखे. 5. आफ्टर ऑल ही इज अ स्मॉल चाइल्ड. आफ्टर ऑल म्हणजे काही झाले तरी. 4. बिफोर. 1. सीता स्टूड बिफोर द डोअर. बिफोर म्हणजे समोर. 2. ही गोज टू कॉलेज बिफोर 10 म्हणजे च्यापूर्वी. 5. बाय. राजेश सॅड बाय मी. बाय म्हणजे शेजारी. यू शुड गेट अप बाय 6 AM म्हणजे पूर्वी किंवा त्यावेळी. आय सीज हिम बाय द नेक. बाय म्हणजे ला धरून. रावण वॉज किल्ड बाय राम. या ठिकाणी बाय म्हणजे करता कोण ते दर्शवतं. 6. फॉर. ही वॉज इम्प्रिझन्ड फॉर लाईफ. फॉर म्हणजे सारा वेळ. ही स्टार्टेड फॉर होम. फॉर म्हणजे त्यासाठी. ही सोल्ड इज स्कूटर फॉर ₹5,000. फॉर म्हणजे त्याच्या ऐवजात. फॉर ऑल हिज वेल्थ ही इज अनहॅपी. फॉर म्हणजे असूनही. शी इज फिट फॉर धिस वर्क. फॉर हे हेतुदर्शक आहे. ही वॉज पनिश्ड फॉर दॅट क्राईम. फॉर म्हणजे हे या ठिकाणी कारणदर्शक आहे. 7. ऑफ. ही डाईड ऑफ कॅन्सर. ऑफ म्हणजे त्यामुळे. दिस इज द हाऊस ऑफ माय फादर. ऑफ म्हणजे या ठिकाणी स्वामित्व. द काऊ इज लेम ऑफ 1 leg ऑफ. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी ऑफ हे स्थितीदर्शक आहे. व्हॉट आर यू थिंकिंग ऑफ. ऑफ म्हणजे त्याऐवजी. 8. ऑन. आय वेंट देअर ऑन संडे लास्ट. या ठिकाणी ऑन म्हणजे समयदर्शक आहे. आय पुट माय बुक ऑन अ टेबल. या ठिकाणी ऑन हे स्थलदर्शक आहे. ही लिव्ज ऑन हिज फादर. या ठिकाणी ऑन हे आधारदर्शक आहे. आय रोट ए बुक ऑन दिस सब्जेक्ट. या ठिकाणी ऑन त्या विषयी असा त्याचा अर्थ आहे. आय जॉईंड विथ हिम ऑन दिस टर्म्स. या ठिकाणी ऑन हे अतिदर्शक आहे. 9. ओव्हर. द सन शाईन्स ओव्हर द अर्थ. या ठिकाणी ओव्हर हे म्हणजे आकाशात. आय वॉज अब्सेंट ओव्हर 3 weeks. या ठिकाणी ओव्हर म्हणजे अमुक मुदतीपेक्षा जास्त. माय स्कूल इज ओव्हर द वे. ओव्हर म्हणजे वरून पलीकडे. आय वॉज प्लेस्ड ओव्हर हिम. या ठिकाणी ओव्हर म्हणजे वरिष्ठता दर्शक आहे. 10:2. आय रिटर्न टू माय हाऊस. या ठिकाणी टू हे स्थलदर्शक आहे. शी विल गो बॅक टू नाईट. या ठिकाणी समयदर्शक आहे. द चान्सेस आर देअर टू 1. या ठिकाणी भागदर्शक आहे. द चान्सेस आर 3. द चान्सेस आर 3-1. या ठिकाणी टू हे भागदर्शक आहे. दे फॉट टू द लास्ट मॅन. या ठिकाणी टू म्हणजे सीमादर्शक आहे. ही विल कम टू डिनर. या ठिकाणी टू हे हेतुदर्शक आहे. विथ 11. विथ. ही केम विथ हिज वाईफ. या ठिकाणी विथ हे सहचर्य दर्शक आहे. ही किल्ड अ स्नेक विथ ए स्टिक. या ठिकाणी विथ हे साधन दर्शक आहे. ही इज पॉप्युलर विथ हिज प्युपिल्स. या ठिकाणी विथ म्हणजे च्यामध्ये. आय लुक्ड अपॉन हिम विथ लव. या ठिकाणी विथ म्हणजे रीती दर्शक आहे. ही इज सिक विथ फेवर. या ठिकाणी विथ हे कारण दर्शक आहे. विथ ऑल हिज वेल्थ ही इज अनहॅपी. या ठिकाणी विथ हे असूनही याचा अर्थ आहे. डू ॲज डायरेक्टेड. ए. Rewrite the following sentences removing the or adverb TOO without altering or weakening the sense. 1. This news is too good to be true. TOO contains a negative. So, dash 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 that not. This news is so good that it cannot be true. 2. He is too ignorant for a postman. He is so ignorant that he cannot be a postman. B. Degrees of comparison. 1. A. Rama is the best boy in the class. This is a superlative degree. B. Rama is better than any other boy in the class. This is a comparative degree. C. No other boy in the class is so good as Rama. That is a positive degree. 2a. Rama is an intelligent as Govind. It is a positive. B. Govinda is no more intelligent than Rama. That is a comparative. C. Rama is no less intelligent than Govinda. It is a comparative. C. Interchange of affirmative and negative sentences without changing the meaning. 1. Brutus loves Caesar. That is a affirmative. Brutus was not without love for Caesar. This is a negative. 2. I was uncertain who called on me. This is a negative. I was without certainty who called on me. This is a affirmative. 3. I was doubtful if I could succeed. That is a affirmative. I was not without doubt if I could succeed. This is a negative. 4. Rama is cleverer than Govinda. This is a affirmative. Govinda is not so clever as Rama. This is a negative. 5. Einstein is the greatest scientist of the modern era. This is a affirmative. No other scientist of modern era is so great as Einstein. This is a negative. D. Interchange of the exclamatory and assertive sentences. 1. Exclamatory. Oh, that the desert were my dwelling place. Assertive. I wish that desert were my dwelling place. 2. Exclamatory. If I could only gain the first prize. Assertive. I earnestly desire to gain the first prize. E. Interchange of the interrogative and assertive sentences. 1. Who would not flee from a state of bondage? Interrogative. Everyone would flee from a state of bondage. This is the assertive. F. Conversion of a simple sentence to complex sentence. 1. Besides making a promise, he kept it. This is a simple sentence. He kept the promise which he made. This is a complex sentence. 2. In spite of his popularity, he cannot be called a great writer. This is a simple sentence. Even though he is popular, he cannot be called a great writer. This is a complex sentence. G. Conversion of compound sentence to simple sentence. 1. He was a mere boy but he offered to fight the giant. This is a compound sentence. In spite of his being a mere boy, he offered to fight the giant. This is a simple sentence. 2. You must pay my dues, otherwise I will sue you. I will sue you. This is a compound sentence. In the event of your not paying my dues, I will sue you. This is a simple sentence. H. Interchange of noun and verb norms. 1. He rejected all our proposals. This is a noun. He rejected all that we proposed. That is a verb form. 2. He has no intention of leaving the city. This is in the noun form. He does not intend to leave the city. This is in the verb form. I. Interchange of noun and adjective. 1. The steel gains strength from the addition of nickel. This is a noun form. The steel becomes strong from the addition of nickel. This is adjective form. 2. There is a difference in weight between lead and tin. This is a noun clause. The weight of lead is different from that of the tin. This is a adjective clause. This is a adjective form. J. Interchange of adjective and adverb. 1. It is probable that rain will fall tomorrow. Adjective form. Rain will probably fall tomorrow. This is the adverb form. 2. He is careless in everything that he does. Adjective form. He does everything carelessly. Adverb form. K. Use one word for the words which are bold. 1. It is no doubt he is lazy. No doubt is in bold letter. He is doubtless lazy. 2. It is not certain that he will meet me. Not certain is in the bold letter. It is uncertain he will meet me. 3. What he spoke is not to the point. Spoke is in the bold letter. His speech is not to the point. 4. It cannot be believed he is dishonest. Cannot be believed is in the bold letter. It is unbelievable he is dishonest. 5. The currency notes he presents are not convertible. Convertible is in the bold letter. The currency notes he presents are inconvertible.